ইক্ষুনো সদাসভাতে হুজুলি গৰঙৰ বুদ্ধযুৱ ঐক্য পৰিষদৰ অর্থ সম্পাদক বাবু কালছবি চাকমারে।
Jojo, I hereby submit my personal details below. My name is Kalochobi Chakma, father's name Rangarobi Chakma, mother's name Onika Chakma. Address Dokkin Pukurgat, Post Office Diginala, Upazila Diginala, District Kaglasori. Date of birth 18 March 1999. Religion Buddhist. Nationality Bangladeshi. Educational qualification BA Honors Pass. In the meantime, I have learned that the well-reputed organization DSM, being impressed by the activities of our Bodhjuva Oko Porishad, has provided us with some financial assistance. As part of that assistance, I have received 1 lakh taka. For this support, I express my heartfelt gratitude to the DSM organization and sincerely hope for continued assistance in the future. Report. In the year 2017, I was just a first year higher secondary student. At that time, I used to frequently visit Satnatila Forest Monastery for religious activities and would selflessly contribute my physical labor to assist in various works of the monastery as much as possible. In this way, on an auspicious occasion, I came into acquaintance with Venerable Buddhavangsha Mahastabir Bante. From then on, he would provide me with writers, advice and guidance. It was during that period that I came to know about the organization named Buddhist Youth Unity Council. He advised me to become a member of the council. Inspired by his encouragement, I became a member of the Bodhjuva ঐক্য Porishad and participated in various humanitarian activities. I continued to work despite many obstacles and challenges, never becoming discouraged. In this manner, from being a regular member in 2020, in this manner, from being a regular member in 2020, I was appointed as the treasurer. For the past 5 years, I have been performing this responsibility selflessly up to the present time, in accordance with the rules of the council. On 3 January 2022, winter clothes worth 50,000 taka were distributed among the poor residents of Egochesari area, Sajek. On 3 May 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic, rice, dry food and cooked rice worth 1,06,500 taka were distributed among the poor residents of Ward No. 5 Babuchura Union Porishad. On 25 September 2020, the managing committee was formed at the Chuknasuri Chakma Language School and 20,000 taka was provided as financial assistance to the school managing committee. On 15 December 2020, winter clothes worth 54,000 taka were distributed among the poor residents of Jarulsori area. An amount of 10 lakh taka was spent for purchasing 10 decimal of land for the purpose of constructing the office of the Bodh Jubo ঐক্য পরিষদ. In conclusion, I extend my respectful greetings to the Honorable President of our Council and best wishes to all the members of the Council. Along with this, I also offer my devoted reverence to the Venerable Buddha Bangsa Mahasthabir Bhante. Thank you.
আরো